Hey, how is everybody? How to avoid the obstacles. I like to wear a hat. Does everybody know? Can everybody see the future? Let's make up the future. I'm going to make up the future. Prices are going up. Prices are going down. Eventually, you see this? Eventually, you'll be looking at this with two little holes. That's it. That's it. No faces. No more faces. Avatar. Avatar, not avenue. What is a letter? Now, I'm not going to come in here and tell you too many stories because that's all I do is I tell stories. I was very silent today. I didn't want to have too many thoughts, and I was very unhappy with communication amongst the people. Unless I'm a difficult case, because I balance everything that passes in front of me. I have no choice. A, do I want to teach somebody? Do I want to have a proper discussion in which I'm not the best discusser because I don't know it, I didn't learn it, I'm teaching myself of what I think, and I see a lot of errors that I make. I see them. But when they're told to me, it comes to me what they call the merchant or machant. Imagine, when you hear words with M-E in the front, that is the man, AC, 10 and 3 like Jesus Christ, but J is 10, but it is not said separately in numbers. When they come to 13 in English, they don't say 12 is a word, it's the what I call the sequence, or I'm not really sure what you can call it, but between 13 and 19, which 32 are the extended cycles, if we would run that cycle, we would go 13 over to 19, and 19 over to 13. 19 and 13, or 19 minus 13. We're going to do that mathematical situation. I'm going to write it down and put it on pause, but I just want to keep on talking, and I'm going to come back to this. Remind yourself at 225. Is that 13 is AC creating DC, creating barring 12, but how are we barring 12? We are barring 12 in a multiplication. So when you bar 12 in a multiplication, how many multiplications will you get out of 1 cube? You will get, wait a second, 4 of 4 square. You will get 4 in each square and 1 big one. So you will get 4 and 1 over 4. Partaking and dividing up what is 4 into halves. So you're getting boxes of reality, which is sort of divided into halves because of the center cycle, but running inside the E world. Now, just like A and I, they are two ends of the board. See, I can't put it this way. I can put it this way. This is accent grave. This is accent grave. This is aigu. It goes with the E. When you have both of them, they call it a circumflex. Try and remember this. It starts with C and I. The third and the ninth letter, I just want to cry. It's a wing. It's two wings that come together. That piece that you see on the number 1 going this way and then down, that is the point, the peak. The 7 is showing you one way, the 1 is showing you something else. Like you can divide that triangle right there from 1. 7, okay, you have an uppercase mountain where you can walk to the edge and you can look all the way down and there's nothing on you. So you've walked, 7 is like a bridge, you know, like putting up a cabinet underneath. And when you have the number 9, in reality, when you have the number 9, in reality, you can actually say you have C7, because if you would draw it this way, you would have number 9, right? So is this the N? Can I do this and then this? But if I did this, I'd actually be doing 7 this way. And then I would be doing 7 this way. So I'd have 77. You want to go 77, you have Nevada. You have Las Vegas. 4 aces to the deck. 1 can be 11. And then you'll have 3 more aces. If this was a Roman numeral, they would be 27 and 9, the birth in the Beta Gateway. Nevada. Hoover vacuum cleaner. S. So it's the S. You don't see it. It's without the E world. So it's a spirit without the E. Why? Because I asked myself the question, it's a spirit without the E. Or is it the spirit? Okay. And it keeps going around. When it gets to the end, it comes like this and then it goes back. The inward and outward spirals. But I think there's, let me see. There's this one, and then there's this one, inward and outward spirals. Las Vegas, Hoover Dam, ESM 1000, 500, 500, at 500, at 1000. This is MD. I don't know if it's a medical doctor, but what are we meeting? Why do we need 2 500s to meet that? So if we need 2, we need 2. 1 and 1 is 2. But if it's the I letter, it would be 18. You'd need resh. The 18th letter, okay, 10 and 8. It's not like 13 in the teen house. The house of area space, 44. You want to go combinations TEEN? You want to go EEN 25? Electric company creation in the E world. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1. Equals 1 and 2. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 will equal to 5. So we had 3 and we had 5. We already had 2 and 1. There is no 4 until 4 gets to work. Because 2 is all around 1. It's 2, 2, 2, 2. But it's actually 2, 2, 2, and 2, 2, 2, 2. You see, the thing is, if you're going, now I want to show you just the empty space. I just want to show you here and here. 2, 2, 2, and 2, because you're back to the beginning, right? So you turn it 4 times, right? 4 times 2 to come back to the beginning is 8, but it's really 6. Okay? And you were 6 is 6 of void, and then you were 2 void. That means you came back to the beginning, right? 6 going 3 times. And now when I do it this way, okay, I got 2, and I got 2, and I got 2. That's 6. Boom. I can't do it. So here I have 2 and 6. This is where the queen shows up. When you turn it this way and this way. And what happens? It's actually the dog, the queen, the game, the card are in